Primate Ayodele, a well-known Nigerian cleric, has shared his prediction for the upcoming 2024 US presidential election. He says the race between former President Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris will be very close. According to Ayodele, the election would end in a deadlock, with neither candidate getting enough votes to win outright. In a video posted online, Ayodele warned that the election process might be inconclusive. This means that the results might be decided after some time. There could be much uncertainty about who will win. Ayodele's prediction comes as Trump is trying to return to the White House, and Harris hopes to make history as the first woman and woman of color to become president. Polls have shown that Trump and Harris are tied in the race, with both candidates fighting hard for key states to decide the election. As Americans prepare to vote, the race is expected to be among the most competitive in recent years. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates as the election unfolds.